In this video, I'll show you how to block push notifications when someone tags you in a post on X, formerly Twitter, so you can stop those alerts quickly and keep your notifications under control. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tips. Let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the additional menu options. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all of your account and notification controls. From there, click on Notifications. Now you'll see the notification settings for your account. After that, click on Preferences. This section lets you fine-tune the type of alerts you receive across the app. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is the area that controls what appears on your device as a push alert. Once you're inside Push Notification settings, find the option for photo tags. Then simply toggle photo tags off. That will stop X from sending push notifications when someone tags you in a post. And that's it. You've now turned off push notifications for photo tags on X, so you won't be bothered by those alerts anymore. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple how-to guides just like this one.